All right, I'm going to go ahead and show you a symptom that I'm having, and I believe it points to the hydraulics. I believe the replacement is the HWH master relay switch, and I'll show you how that's repaired. But first, let me show you the symptoms I have. I started up my Tiffin Phaeton. Everything is in good shape. Parking brake is on. If I push, this is a HWH leveler. If I push my auto level, what I end up getting is the green light or the blue light. And what you can see is that it doesn't do anything. So you don't push it twice. If you push it twice, you push it once to auto level. If you push it again, it shuts it off. So basically that's the symptom I have. I also cannot extend any slides. So if I try to extend any slides, none of them work. Those are my hydraulics. So I'm gonna go back here and see if my electric slides work, and we'll give that a try. So this is passenger side extend. Let me turn my light on. And of course it does work. So driver side, and it does work. So the symptoms are hydraulic, and I have a new master relay solenoid switch coming in, so I'll get that installed. That should hopefully fix it. I believe that's what the symptoms point to. Like I said, this is the hydraulic issue on a Tiffin Phaeton. It's a 36GH. This is a 2015. I'm going to go ahead and in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to change out that master relay.